Click on the link below to get price. The PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 EPIC ARGB OC triple fan graphics card is an impressive piece of hardware that promises high-performance gaming and stunning visuals. Upon unboxing, the card immediately stands out with its sleek design and customizable ARGB lighting, giving it an aesthetic edge that gamers will appreciate. The build quality feels solid, and the triple fan cooling system not only looks great but also effectively manages heat during intense gaming sessions. Performance-wise, the RTX 5080 does not disappoint. With its advanced architecture, it delivers exceptional frame rates even at ultra settings in modern titles. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare run smoothly, allowing for immersive experiences without the dreaded stutter or lag. The card leverages NVIDIA's DLSS technology, which enhances performance without sacrificing image quality, providing an edge in competitive scenarios. The installation process is straightforward, thanks to PNY's user-friendly design. It fits snugly into most mid to high-end build setups, and the drivers are easily installed, allowing users to get started with minimal hassle. The card remains impressively quiet even under load, a testament to the efficiency of the triple fan design. One standout feature is the ARGB lighting, which can be synced with other RGB components for a cohesive look. Customizing the lighting effects is simple and adds a personal touch to any gaming rig. On the downside, the RTX 5080's price point may be a concern for budget-conscious gamers. While the performance justifies the cost, it might be overkill for casual players who do not require such power. Additionally, the card size may pose installation challenges in smaller cases, requiring a careful check of dimensions prior to purchase. Overall, the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 EPIC ARGB OC triple fan graphics card is a top-tier choice for serious gamers and creators seeking uncompromised performance and aesthetics. It combines cutting-edge technology with stunning visuals, making it a worthy investment for those ready to elevate their